Disposal of wastes. Ponder a while. What do you do with waste in your house? Where do you throw it? Do you reuse any waste material? Who takes away the garbage? Waste or garbage consists of materials that are no longer in use and are thrown away. Different waste come from different places such as homes, offices, factories, markets, etc. Types of wastes. There are two main types of wastes. Biodegradable wastes. Biodegradable wastes include fruits and vegetables peels, excreta, paper, wood products, etc. They can be broken down into smaller substances by the action of microorganisms. These smaller substances mix with soil and gradually disappear. Non-biodegradable wastes. The non-biodegradable wastes include plastic bags, cans, metals, glass, bottles, etc. These wastes cannot be broken down into smaller substances by the action of microorganisms. They remain in the soil and cause land pollution. Methods of waste disposal. In some areas, the sanitary workers collect waste daily, while in other areas people discharge waste into large dustbins on the roadsides. The municipal vehicle comes for collecting this garbage at regular intervals. Wastes are disposed so that they do not produce pollution in our surroundings. Sometimes, waste disposed are used for making manure or biogas. There are 5 different ways of waste disposal. Landfill. In this method, deep pits are dug outside the cities. The municipality trucks pick up the waste and dump it in these pits. By this method, waste becomes a part of the soil and does not create any pollution. Composting. Some people dispose their household waste in small pits. After some time, this waste turns into manure. This is called composting. This method helps to make the household waste a useful thing. Open dumping. In this method, the waste is loaded in trucks, taken far away from the towns and cities, and then dumped in the open. This method is harmful because it pollutes the environment. Incineration. In cities, the solid wastes are burnt in big furnaces called incinerators. This method causes air pollution because these furnaces release smoke and heat from them. Disposal of waste fruitfully. We all dispose the waste by throwing it away carefully, though we can dispose it in a beneficial manner. Some ways of disposing the waste fruitfully are: use the biodegradable waste as manure. Give your old clothes, toys, books, etc. to the poor people. Use kitchen water to water the plants. Sell the old newspapers, glasses, bottles, plastics, metals, etc. to the kabadiwala. Use other waste materials to make handmade things to be used for decorative purposes. Waste management. Waste management is a process by which we can reduce, reuse, and recycle the waste produced. We should follow 3 R's for contributing in waste management. Reduce. Some steps which we can take to reduce waste are: avoid buying packed items. Reduce the use of non-biodegradable materials like plastic cups, glass, tin, etc. Use cloth bags instead of plastic bags for carrying things. Let's do it. Make some bags from colored papers and cloth pieces and write some slogans on them. use these bags in place of plastic bags. This will create awareness among the people to use paper or cloth bags instead of polythene bags. Fact trivia. Recycling one glass bottle saves enough energy to power a computer for 25 minutes. Reuse. Some steps which we can take to reuse things are: old clothes can be used to make dusters and cloth bags. Do not waste old notebooks. Use their blank papers for rough work. Avoid using disposable containers or plates. Use cloth napkins instead of foil for wrapping food, as clothes are reusable. Recycle. Recycling is the process of making new things by using the waste materials. Different things which can be recycled are glass, paper, metal, plastic, etc. These things are taken by kabadiwalas and then sold to the factories. Here, these things are recycled and new products are made out of them. People who help us in disposal of waste. Kabadiwalas. Kabadiwalas collect old newspapers, notebooks, cardboards, glass, metals, plastics, and other wastes from our houses and take them to the recycling factories. Garbage collectors. These people collect garbage from the bins kept at different places such as roads, parks, markets, bus stands, etc.